this. I have a bunch of cool multi-purpose tools. I have multi-purpose, and this one has a pliers to it. So we're gonna try to use some good old pliers here. We're going to try to kind of like pry it maybe, because it has this little crack in it, as you guys can see. So we're just trying to kind of like pry it open a little. It's like we're having a little trouble. I found this out somewhere. So yeah, I don't really know where it came from, but it was just on the ground. So I picked it up and thought I'd do a video of this. Tell me guys in the comments of what tool you guys would use to cut a golf ball. I don't know. So how you guys leave your suggestions in the comments. I'm gonna try to use a knife here and see if I can maybe just cut it a little. Make sure you always keep your hands away and have adult supervision when you're using a knife though, please. Okay guys, I guess this golf ball is too strong. So we're gonna have to go out in the garage and maybe we'll find a tool out there. Hey guys, what is up? We are out here in the garage. And as you guys know, my multi-purpose tool was not working very good. So now we stepped it up to a big drill, a drill 3/8 drill bit. Let's see if we can get it to drill. Okay guys, looks like we're having a little bit of trouble here. My drill bit cannot get a little grip on it, so I'm gonna switch out here. A little drill bit. I think I just found a drill bit that will work. It is a 9/16 wood drill bit. Let's see if this will work. I made a tiny hole just to test it, but let's see. Guys, the finale to see what is inside a golf ball. Ready, set, go. My gosh, guys, golf balls, I guess, are extremely hard. I don't know what that stuff is, but I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I have the golf ball right here. It is very weird. There's a little, if you guys want, there's a little blue thing there. I don't really know what it is. I don't know what the stuff is, but I'm gonna shot back all of it up. But here's what the inside, I guess, of a golf ball looks like. It's a blue inner. And this was drilled a little bit off-centered. So this is all the way through. It stops right there, and it stops, and it comes back. I'll look up what this blue stuff is, but yeah. That's essentially what's inside a golf ball. See you guys later.